Hi friends, here today topic is Gauss forward interpolation method. Here this method is useful to find out the unknown function, similarly before methods. Here in this method the formula for finding unknown function is different. If we don't ask any method mentioned in given problem, we write and we choose any method to solve and to find out the unknown function. Here here in given problem, ask by using Gauss forward interpolation method, find out the unknown polynomial or unknown function. We must and should solve by using Gauss forward interpolation method. And how to solve a given and how to find out the given unknown function by using this method. Here let's see the formula for finding unknown function in this method is, here f of x be the unknown function. We take the f of x be the unknown function, and the formula for finding unknown function is y naught plus p into delta y naught plus p into p minus 1 by 2 factorial del square y minus 1 plus p into p minus 1 into p plus 1 by 3 factorial del cube y minus 1 plus p into p minus 1 p plus 1 p minus 2 and by 4 factorial delta power of 4 y minus 2, and similarly p into p minus 1 into p plus 1 into p minus 2 into p plus 2 by 5 factorial and del power of 4 and 5. And how to write this formula and how to choose this formula by using how to solve by using here we find out the values of del square y minus 1 and delta y naught and del cube y minus 1 by using Gauss forward difference table. Here let's see the table for finding the unknown function. We draw the Gauss forward difference table. Here in before methods, the values of x and y are given. We directly take the values of starting value is x0 and another one is x1 and another one is x2 and similarly remaining, and y values are also same. Here for finding delta y naught, how to find out? Here in Gauss forward difference table is completely different to find out the values of, and how to choose the values of x0 x1 is completely different. Here let's see the small example how to take and how to find out the values of x0 and x1 depending. Let's see the small example. The values of x and y we take 1 2 3 4, and the values of y we take 4 6 7 9. Here these two values, here the given problem, these values are given. Here in before methods directly we take 1 is x0 and 2 is x1, and here Gauss forward is completely different. Suppose let's draw the small Gauss forward difference table by the given values 2 3 4 and the values of 4 6 7 9. Here these are the given values. And how to find out the del y and del square y and similarly del cube y. Here before that, here in given problem we mention find f of 2.5. Find f of 2.5 polynomial or function. Here for finding 2.5 we represent the value. First we see the 2.5 in the values of x. 2.5 is in between 2 and 3. So here in 2 or 3 we take as x0. Here either 2 is x0 or 3 is x0. We take, suppose we can assume 3 is x0, and the remaining values how to find out is before the value of x0 is represent as x minus 1 and another value is x minus 2 and below the value is x1. In this way represent the values, and similarly the corresponding value is y naught, and in the above the value is minus 1 and y minus 2 and y1. Here in this way we can choose the values of x and y. And after that after choosing these values, we can find out the del y and del square y. How to choose these values? Let's see. Here the difference in between these two, that means 6 minus 4, that means y minus 1 minus y minus 2 gives the value is del y minus 2, and the difference in between y naught minus y minus 1 gives the value is del y minus 1, and similarly 9 minus 7, that is y1 minus y naught gives the value is delta y naught. Similarly, in between the difference between delta y minus 1 and delta y minus 2 gives the value is del square y minus 2, and this value is y naught, delta y naught minus delta y minus delta y minus 1 gives the value is del square y minus 1, and similarly third value is del cube y minus 2, and up to the we know already up to the last value find out the values. Here the difficulty is here in this table, difficult to find out the value of x naught and how to choose x naught value. Here in this problem 2.5 is unknown function. Here 2.5 is in between 2 and 3. So here I am taking 3 is x naught, and let's see, you take the 2 is also, here we take the 2 is x naught, and the before here we take 2 is x naught. Before the value is x minus 1 and below the values are x1 and x2. In this way we choose the value of x naught, and depending upon this by choosing the values, formula is based. Here first we take the value of, we know the formula. Let's see the formula. Y naught in given table y naught plus p into delta y naught. Here this is the formula. Here let's see that for Gauss forward difference table, x minus 2 and x minus, here suppose assume x naught, x minus 1, x minus 2 and x1, x2, and corresponding values y naught, y minus 1 and y minus 2 and y. Here the values depending upon the Gauss forward difference table, write the formula. How to write the formula? Suppose the starting value is, we take y naught plus p already common into delta y naught. Here y naught value is known. Here delta y naught means the value is y naught, here delta y naught is, and similarly p into p minus 1 into del square y minus 1. Here in this manner, here y naught and p into delta y naught and p into p minus 1 into del square y minus 1 and p into p minus 1 into, here let's see, p into p minus 1 into p plus 1 into del cube y minus 1, and finally p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 by 4 factorial del power of 4 y minus 2. Here in this manner we can choose the formula. So, let's see, we take here in this example also same. Here x naught is this value and y naught, and similarly choose the p into delta y naught and p into, here before the value is p into p minus 1 into del square y minus 1, and similarly this one, and once down and one time up, and one time down and one time up. In this way, in this path we choose the formula, write the formula. Here in this way we write the formula for finding a unknown function by using Gauss forward difference table. Here this is the difference table, how to draw that Gauss forward difference table. Already we know the difference is y minus 1 minus y minus 2 gives the value is del y minus 2, and y naught minus y minus 1 gives the value is delta y minus 1, and y1 minus y naught minus gives the value is delta y naught, and y2 minus y1 gives the value is del y1 and delta y1. Here del square y also same. Here the difference in between values is del square y minus 2, and the difference in between these two values gives the values del square y minus 1, and similarly del square y naught, and finally up to the last value find out the values. Here let's see the small example related to this Gauss forward method, Gauss forward interpolation method. Here in this example, use Gauss forward interpolation formula to find f of 30 from the given table. The given table x and f of x values are given. F of x is nothing but y. Here the values of x are 21, 25, 29, 33, 37, and the values, the corresponding values of y are also given. Here your unknown function is f of 30. For finding this unknown polynomial, here the given data is x already given. The value of x is 30. Okay, let's see the formula for finding unknown function is by using Gauss forward interpolation. F of x is equals to y naught plus p into delta y naught plus p into p minus 1 by 2 factorial del square y minus 1 plus p into p minus 1 into p plus 1 by 3 factorial del cube y minus 1 plus p into p minus 1 into p plus 1 into p minus 2 by 4 factorial into del power of 4 y minus 2 plus in so on. Here for finding p, the value of x we are already given. The value of x is 30, and x naught value by x naught value finding by using difference table. The value of h is 4. Here the h means the difference between the 21 and 25, 25 to 24 is the same. So let's take the h value is 4. Here the value of h is 4, and here how to find out the x naught value. Here finding f of 30, that means here 30 is in between 29 and 30. In between these two values, f of 30 value, in between these two values f of 30 is present. Let's see the difference table, and how to choose. Here 21, 25, 29, 33, and the values of x are we write the values of x and y, and how to choose the x naught value. Here I am choosing the value is 30 is in present in between 29 and 33. Here I am choosing the 29 is x naught. Here we know the formula is y naught plus p into y naught plus p into delta y naught plus p into p minus 1 into del square y minus 1 by 2 factorial, and similarly p into p minus 1 into p plus 1 by 3 factorial into del cube y minus 1, and similarly p into p minus 1 into p plus 1 into p minus 2 by 4 factorial del power of 4 y minus 2. In this manner we choose the path and write the formula for finding unknown function and substitute the values. We already know how to find the del y and del square y and delta cube y and delta power of 4y. Here the difference is given, the value is delta y minus 2 and the second value is delta y minus 1, and we already know x naught is, choose x naught value is 29, and corresponding value of y naught is this one, and the choose the path and write the and find out the values of delta y, del square y, and substitute these values in given formula. 17, here y naught means 17.1070 plus p x naught we take as here I am choosing 29 is x naught. Substitute this x naught value, and 30 minus 29 by 4 equals to 0.25. This is p value, and the formula we already know, p into p minus 1, here p into delta y naught, here delta y naught is minus 0.7638 plus 0.25 is p into p minus 1 into p value is 0.25 minus 1 by 2 factorial means 2 into del square y minus 1. Del square y minus 1 value is minus 0.056 plus and p into p minus 1 into p plus 1 by 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 3 into 2, 6 into del cube y minus 1. Here del cube y minus 1 value is minus 0.08, 0.008. Substitute these values and finally get the answer. Here the value of del square, finally the value of substitute these all values in given formula, and finally we get the value of unknown function, that is y of x, and 17.1070 plus, and the value of this one is minus 0.19095 plus 0.0105 by 2, and similarly remaining value is this one. And finally find out the value of unknown function is f of 30, that the value is 16.9216. Here this is the formula for finding unknown function using Gauss forward interpolation formula. Thank you friends. Here I am choosing 29 is the x0. If you take 33 is x0, we know 29 and 33, in between these two values the value of f of 30 is present. So 33, if you take 33 is x0, in this if 33 is x0, similarly find out the values. Here the value of, if you take the 33 is x0, finding and write the formula for finding unknown function, and the answer is same. If you take 29 is x0 or 33 is x0, and finally write the formula and draw the difference table and substitute the values in given formula, and depending upon these values we write the formula and substitute the values in given formula, and finally get the same answer. If you take 29 is x0 or 33 is x0, the answer is same. Thank you friends.